Bitcoin is ripping after Trump's shocking announcement of a $2 billion BTC buy, and the entire crypto market is waking up, but meme coins are stealing the spotlight, with Binance lifting warnings on Pepe and smart money taking aggressive long positions across the board. Now here's where it gets interesting. Pepe just broke a major bear market trend line. Interest is up 92%, and whales are making multi-million-dollar bets that it's about to explode. But is this the start of the next Pepe rally, or just another fake-out? In today's video, I'll break down the market moves, whale position. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 22nd of July, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 1,385 units, with 4 zeros. Pepe's price is down 1% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $6.5 billion. The token also currently has a market cap of over $5.8 billion, ranking it as the 36th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, and this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get to Pepe news, we must cover the biggest news stories in the general crypto market first. Trump media surges on massive $2 billion Bitcoin purchase. Trump media has seen its stock price climb nearly 6% to $19.76 in Monday trading, driven by its bold move to acquire $2 billion in Bitcoin and related securities. This investment, which now accounts for 2/3 of the company's $3 billion in total assets, aligns with its May announcement to transform into a Bitcoin treasury company. The strategy, inspired by Michael Saylor's approach at Strategy, earlier MicroStrategy, leverages public equity and debt issuance to amass significant cryptocurrency holdings, a tactic gaining traction among crypto-focused enterprises. The cryptocurrency market has seen growing institutional interest, with Bitcoin's decentralized nature and potential as a store of value attracting companies seeking to diversify their balance sheets. Trump media's strategy mirrors a broader trend where firms leverage their corporate treasuries to hold digital assets. Trump media's stock performing well off the back of this is a great thing to see, as it could inspire other companies to create a crypto fund. We will monitor this and keep you all in the loop of other companies that add crypto to their holdings. In other news, Binance removes trading disclaimers for Pepe, Pengu, Bonk meme coins. On July 21st, Binance announced the removal of its seed tag designation from tokens Pepe, Pudgy Penguins, Bonk, Ether.fi, and Eigenlayer. The exchange has supposedly conducted reviews and is more confident the projects are ethical enough for investments, but told its user base they still carry market risks and price volatility. The seed tag is Binance's in-house risk label that is applied to newly listed tokens or projects considered more volatile and speculative than established assets. The tag tells crypto enthusiasts which coins have more risk for traders and requires them to complete quizzes to prove they have full knowledge of the nature of their investments before trading the asset. Removal of the seed tag means Binance has seen a project's maturity and is satisfied with its risk profile. Binance removes caution tag on 5 tokens after reviews. According to Binance, its decision came against the backdrop of a routine project review based on team commitment, development activity, trading volume, liquidity, network security, and transparency. Regulatory compliance, ethical standards, and community engagement were also considered. Projects must maintain a high standard of performance, security, and transparency, Binance stated in the announcement. We thank you for your support as we continue to build the crypto ecosystem in a way that promotes transparency and long-term, sustainable growth. The update caused mixed reactions on social media platforms, with some asking why other tokens were not taken down from the crypto exchange's red alert list. These coins are volatile enough without the extra hype. Hope traders don't get burned chasing this, warned one crypto trader on X. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. Pepe interest surges 92%. Does this mean more gains for the meme coin? Pepe was up only a modest 2% in the last 24 hours as at the time of press. The meme coin had reclaimed the market cap to above the $5 billion mark following a dip that took it to $2.65 billion, its lowest point this year. Since the bottom in March 2025, Pepe has been slowly reclaiming its market share, and that has not gone unnoticed. Pepe interest reignites. Using the Google search to gauge interest over time, the metric showed that Pepe's had spiked to 92% from a low of 42%. Interest is key in determining the movement of meme coins, as they are driven majorly by crypto communities. This has been reflected in other meme coins like Dogecoin, which was at 65 and rising. On the flip side, interest also rises when markets are at their peaks. This opens another layer of dilemma on the meme coin, especially now that Pepe has broken its long-term hurdle. Bear market flip or not yet? Meanwhile, Pepe has broken the bear market trend line that has held price since the highs of the 9th of December 2024. Pepe entered a free fall with price reaching 568 units in March, where it created a double bottom. The breakout occurred on the 10th of July, and the retest was confirmed 5 days later. Pepe looks headed toward the 1,600 units, which, if broken, could take Pepe back to the highs seen in the last quarter of 2024. However, the current breakout could be false if price failed to hold above it. The trendline break could mark a flip of the bear market to a bullish one, considering the time it had stayed significant. Additionally, the volume of Pepe, which was seller-dominated in the last 2 days, had returned to the control of bulls as of press time. Pepe's dilemma. As the price flipped bullish, there was dilemma, as evidenced by the activities of some whales and the NVT ratio. As per on-chain lens on X, James Wynn closed his longs on Pepe and Ethereum at a profit of $538,500. Meanwhile, the whale chose to go long on Dogecoin with 10x, suggesting Pepe could fall a little for correction after the breakout. More analysis as per Into the Block showed, the NVT ratio was at 43.21, which meant the value of token was low relative to its price. The last 24-hour change had declined 30.92%. The value was ranging between 26 and 120. As for its correlation with BTC and ETH, the meme coin was at 0.92 and 0.95 respectively in the last 30 days. The total addresses with balance were 431.29K. In other news, a smart whale opened 4 positions worth over $120 million cumulatively, longing these 4 popular cryptocurrencies. Major trader takes leverage across markets. A large wallet holder with a strong track record on Hyperliquid has opened sizable leveraged positions across multiple tokens. These include 40x long on Bitcoin, 25x on Ethereum, and 10x each on Pepe and Hype. This whale's wallet is currently in over $73 million in profit with a good win rate. Hopefully, this is an indicator that Pepe is a good long trade to be in at the moment. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1000x potential altcoins.
Shibarium has just marked a milestone with 400 million transactions. But the burning question remains, where are the promised token burns? Brace yourselves, because the Shiba Inu ecosystem is undergoing a massive shift with monumental developments. Sleepless nights are becoming the norm as significant changes unfold. What's the big reveal? And why might we finally see those trillions of tokens going up in flames? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. About 6 months ago, the Shiba Inu development team took a bold step by launching Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution. Shiba Inu, initially built on the Ethereum network, faced a significant challenge as the popularity of Ethereum surged. The influx of new projects built on Ethereum led to skyrocketing gas fees, making transactions ridiculously expensive. Picture this. You want to send just $1 worth of Shiba Inu to a friend, and you end up paying over $50 in gas fees on the Ethereum network. Recognizing the need for an alternative, the Shiba Inu developers introduced Shibarium, a Layer 2 solution that boasts fees often amounting to a fraction of a penny, almost free. But here's something you should understand. Shibarium isn't your typical blockchain. One of its primary goals is to burn Shiba Inu, the native token. The gas token utilized on Shibarium is called Bone, with a commitment from the Shiba Inu developers to allocate 70% of the gas fee revenue to convert into Shiba Inu. This means that Shibarium will be able to sell Shiba Inu tokens and burn them. We all know how the Shiba Inu community fervently anticipates the Shiba Inu token, reaching 1 penny or more. But there's a hurdle. The massive supply of over $500 trillion. Although Shibarium has been operational for over 6 months and recently celebrated a monumental milestone of 400 million transactions, The burning of Shiba Inu tokens still faces a challenge. Despite the development team burning over $400,000 worth of Shiba Inu directly from gas fee revenue, 70% on Shibarium, it's not enough to make a substantial dent in the token supply. But why is that? I mean, $400,000 doesn't look like a small amount to many people. And you are saying burning such an amount had zero impact on Shiba Inu? Well, the only thing this burn did was bring some hype to Shiba Inu, and thus its price slightly grew up. Comparing it to Shiba Inu's current market cap of over $22 billion is nothing benign. But does it mean that Shibarium failed then? Well, it is not complete. While recently reaching the 400 million transactions milestone, the missing link lies in the total value locked metric. Given the current total value locked of Shibarium, hovering around a modest $1 million, the transactions conducted within this innovative layer 2 solution are, for lack of a better term, incredibly cheap. Imagine you're at a high-end restaurant and you decide to treat yourself to a luxurious meal. Now the bill comes, and instead of the expected 3-digit figure, it's just $1. Yes, you heard that right, a single dollar. This is somewhat analogous to the fees collected from transactions on Shibarium. So, with the current TVL being just $1 million, transactions are so cost-effective that the fees generated are practically a drop in the bucket. But it is all about to change. The Shiba Inu developers have orchestrated a colossal solution set to literally explode the current total value locked on Shibarium. Remember, Satoshi Kusama himself promised that when fully active, Shibarium has the potential to burn trillions of Shiba Inu tokens. A move that could reshape the landscape of the entire project. And 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, currently valued at around $40 million, are at the forefront of a historic development. The promise is not just 1 trillion, but trillions. Yes, plural. And we're on the brink of witnessing a monumental shift. This isn't just a promise. It's a roadmap to a historic development that could be just around the corner. The anticipation is palpable. The stakes are high, and you're probably wondering, what's this groundbreaking plan that could usher in such a significant transformation? Well, I won't spill all the beans just yet, but this is something that might change your whole perspective on Shiba Inu. So make sure to stick around and watch the video until the very end. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So now, how do the Shiba Inu developers plan to elevate Shibarium's total value locked to unprecedented heights? It's a brilliant strategy that involves inviting other crypto projects to build on Shibarium. Think of it like a bustling city attracting new businesses. The more projects, the more people, and the greater the overall growth. This approach makes so much sense. First, it diversifies the Shibarium ecosystem, bringing in unique ideas and functionalities. Second, it introduces new communities and user bases to Shibarium, creating a vibrant and active network. Third, as these projects expand, and as these projects contribute to the ecosystem, the cumulative impact is a substantial increase in TVL breathing life into the burning mechanism and ultimately reducing the supply of Shiba Inu tokens. And while there are already some noteworthy projects running on Shibarium, they alone aren't sufficient to realize the full potential. However, breaking news has just emerged. A major player has announced its imminent entrance to Shibarium. This development has sparked a significant buzz, with Shibarium pledging to skyrocket its TVL metric by a whopping 50 times, translating to a staggering $50 million injection into the system. This is a game changer, and the implications are colossal. The promise of such substantial growth in TVL indicates a potential breakthrough, finally paving the way for the burning of Shiba Inu tokens in the trillions. The excitement is palpable, and it's a moment many Shiba Inu enthusiasts have been eagerly anticipating. Stay tuned, as the landscape of Shibarium is about to experience a transformation that could reshape the entire crypto space. So, the project I'm talking about is called K9 Finance. This dynamic entity is poised to be a game changer, bringing with it a wealth of innovation to the Shibarium ecosystem. Think of K9 Finance as the heavyweight champion entering the ring, ready to leave a lasting impact. So, what's K9 Finance's role in all of this? Picture it as a liquid staking derivatives platform on Shibarium, offering a unique and powerful infrastructure for users. To draw a parallel, you can think of K9 Finance as the Lido of Ethereum, providing a similar, if not superior, technology within the Shiba network. Now, for those not deeply immersed in the crypto jargon, let me break it down for you. Imagine you're a crypto investor, and you decide to stake some bone tokens to earn returns. Let's not forget that staking, in essence, involves locking up your assets to support the operations of a blockchain network in exchange for rewards. However, traditional staking comes with a catch. Your assets are locked up in an extended period. This is where K9 Finance steps in as a revolutionary solution. It addresses the problem of traditional staking by introducing the concept of liquid staking. Let's revisit our crypto investor example to illustrate. With K9 Finance, when you stake your bone tokens, they remain liquid. Essentially, your assets aren't tied up for an extended period, allowing you to maintain flexibility and liquidity. This innovation not only enhances user experience, but also opens up new opportunities for earning rewards and experiencing the benefits of loyalty and blockchain adoption. Instead of having your assets locked up, they remain liquid and flexible. It's like having the ability to enjoy the benefits of staking without the long-term commitment. This flexibility not only provides you with the freedom to move your assets when needed, but also opens up opportunities to maximize your returns. K9 Finance isn't just a player in the game. It's a pioneer, bringing the benefits of liquid staking derivatives to the forefront of Shibarium's evolving ecosystem. And this is where things get absolutely out of control. K9 Finance isn't just a standout project in the Shibarium ecosystem. It has officially become a partner of Shiba Inu. Satoshi Kusama, the mysterious figure behind Shiba Inu, has taken to Twitter multiple times already, expressing his enthusiasm for the upcoming launch of K9 Finance. This partnership adds a significant layer of trust and credibility to K9 Finance, aligning it closely with the Shiba Inu project we've all come to know and follow. And the fact that Satoshi himself is actively drawing attention to this project speaks volumes about its importance within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. What's even more important is the imminent launch date, March 7th, when K9 Finance will unveil its own utility token called 9. Now, let's delve into what makes this token special. This token isn't just a ticker symbol. It serves as a membership token to the K9 Finance DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. In simpler terms, it grants holders the power to participate in governance decisions, making them an integral part of the project's trajectory. The enormity of this news lies in the fact that K9 Finance, as an official partner of Shiba Inu, instills a sense of trust and confidence in the project. Satoshi Kusama's active promotion of K9 Finance's launch is a clear signal that this project holds a key position within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. With March 7th on the horizon, It's crucial to keep a close eye on K9 Finance. This isn't just a project. It's a collaboration that could shape the future of Shiba Inu. So you might want to consider getting ready to participate in its launch, perhaps by securing some K9 tokens and becoming a part of the unfolding narrative within the Shiba Inu community. But note that this is not financial advice, and make sure to do your own research. Now, let's get back to the moment I said that this project might boost Shibarium's current $1 million total value locked metric by over 50 times. The founder of K9 Finance recently shared a tweet that outlines a groundbreaking plan to boost Shibarium's TVL by over 50 times. Let's break down this revolutionary strategy step by step. The tweet reads, "Common question I get is how big can K9 Finance be for Shiba Inu, but more specifically, Bone and Shibarium?" The founder provides some insightful metrics. Bone delegated on Ethereum is $24 million. Bone staked on ShibaSwap on Ethereum is $2.5 million. Bone staked on Shibarium is $11.5 million. Average percentage of Layer 2 token used to delegate on other chains is 30%. The percentage of Bone delegated now is 10%. Now, let's unravel what this means for Shibarium's TVL boost. Currently, there are approximately 35.5 million Bone tokens delegated or staked, equivalent to $22 million. The stakers or delegators on average earn less than 5%. However, when K9 launches, these stakers or delegators could immediately switch to K9 Finance, earning higher yields. K9 Finance introduces a liquid staking token, representing the $22 million TVL directly on Shibarium.